Hi everyone, this is Lydia here and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while and I would just like to thank all of my viewers and subscribers for all of your support. I am at 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys all for tuning in and for your patience. I hope everyone is staying safe out there right now, and I'm really excited today to do this unboxing of the Google Pixel Buds 2. I've been waiting for these for a while. I've had the first Google Pixel Buds and they were a little bit underwhelming, so I'm looking forward to seeing all the new improvements and to see how well it pairs with my Pixel 4. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. The Google Pixel Buds 2 come at $179, a little pricier than the Google Pixel Buds 1, and I got the white version. I believe it comes in 4 colors: white, almost black, quite mint, and oh so orange. The charging case is very sleek. It's matte white, looks like it, and I love how small it is actually. It looks like it's just about the size of my palm, so very portable. The battery life is supposedly 5 hours with a single charge and 24 hours with charging case, so seems about to be the same as the Google Pixel Buds version 1, but we will definitely test that out. So it looks like it comes with additional earbud size options and also a USB to C charger. I know that this charging case is also Qi wireless compatible, and then a quick start guide. So let's open up and look at the pods. They look like little Mentos. They just look beautiful, and I'm really glad I went with the white. It looks really clean. And I like how small these buds are. They look really portable, and I really like how it's wireless, although it was nice to be able to hang the original buds around my neck too. These look really comfortable, and I'm really excited because it has an IPX4 rating, which means that it protects from splashing water no matter the direction, so I can wear it when I work out for sure. And right now I use the Samsung Galaxy Buds and they're great, but I'm really looking forward to trying these out as well. These buds look really small and I would be scared to lose them, but supposedly you can use a Find My device to locate the earbuds and make them ring. They snap right back into the case, and I'm excited to test out the real-time Google Translate and also the Google Assistant, because now you don't need to hold the bud in order to summon the assistant. So as you guys can see, I have the new Pixel Buds on right now, and they fit nice and snug in my ear and they don't feel like they can fall out easily. I'm really excited to test out all of its functions and features, and so I hope you guys stay tuned for the full review. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you guys for watching.